Hello YouTubers, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this review of the newly launched NoiseFit Force smartwatch. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the features and specifications of this exciting new device. Let's talk about the design and build quality of this smartwatch. The NoiseFit Force has a rugged and sporty design that looks great and is suitable for all types of outdoor activities. The watch has a solid build made with zinc alloy and polycarbonate and is water resistant, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as swimming, hiking, and even running. The band is made of high quality materials that are comfortable to wear and can withstand rough use. Let's talk about the display and user interface of the smartwatch. The NoiseFit Force has a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a high resolution of 360 x 360 pixels. The display is bright with 550 nits peak brightness, it is vivid and has excellent viewing angles, making it perfect for the outdoor use. The watch runs on Noise's proprietary operating system. I personally feel the UI is not that polished in comparison with watches like Realme Watch S Pro and Amazfit T-Rex Pro, which are similar looking smartwatches. The NoiseFit Force has a range of fitness features that make it a great choice for those who lead an active lifestyle. The watch has a built-in GPS allowing users to track their runs, hikes or bike rides without the need for a phone. The watch has a SpO2 tracker to track your blood oxygen levels. The watch also has a heart rate monitor, providing users with a convenient way to monitor their heart rate throughout the day. The watch has a range of fitness tracking modes including running, cycling, hiking, swimming, rowing, cricket, track the user's steps, calories burned and much more. The NoiseFit Force smartwatch allows you to take calls through its inbuilt speaker and microphone. This means that you can take calls even when your phone is not nearby, giving you the freedom to stay connected on the go. The call quality is fair enough and the noise cancelling microphone ensures that your voice is clear and audible to the person on the other end. The smartwatch also has inbuilt games because why not? Now let's talk about the battery life of this watch. The NoiseFit Force has a battery life of up to 7 days, which is okayish considering the battery is only 300 mAh battery. The watch is compatible with both Android and iOS devices and can be connected to the user's phone via Bluetooth 5.0. The watch also has a range of connectivity features including notifications, music control, and call handling, allowing users to stay connected even when they are away from their phone. Also, Noise provides the users with its health and fitness app where you can get health insights on demand, see your calories burned, track your sleep quality, or even steps walked. Also, you can customize watch faces if needed from this app. In conclusion, the NoiseFit Force is an excellent smartwatch that offers a range of features and impressive performance. Whether you're looking for a durable and reliable device for outdoor activities or a smartwatch that can help you stay fit and healthy, the NoiseFit Force is a great choice that won't disappoint. With its rugged design, large and high-quality display, and powerful fitness features, it is one of the best smartwatches on the market. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content. Till then, this is Pratik signing off.